We told you about a puppy. Here he is. So I'm recording this on my phone, and I also wanted to take this time to give you a little update on what's going on as far as the headers go for my car. They are ordered, and I'm about to show you the invoice. So here we go. I'm going to try and record it to where it doesn't show you my shipping information. Right about there's the one. So they've been ordered, and I've gotten an invoice in the mail. So they'll be... I hate you, Josh. So they should be here they should be shipping out the 11th or the 12th, which was last Thursday and Friday, and they should be getting here this coming Thursday and Friday. So here's the information on them. Can't wait.
You ran straight into the couch.
Buddy boy, what are you doing?
Did you buy some?
Hey, now climb the crane.
Gunner, come here. Oh, here he comes.
At least he made it above his front feet above that time.
Gunner, come here. Come on. Can you get up here? Come on. Come on. You wanna go outside?
You want to go play in the snow? Gunner. What you staring at, bud? Gunner.
With one hand. And with one hand.
Gunner. God, you're staring into oblivion, dog. What's going on over there? Gunner. Come here.
Gunner, come here. Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, shit. You're slipping and falling, bud. So everybody, I just wanted to make this quick little video today to kind of update you as to what's going on so far. I'm not blowing you off, I promise. I've hit my 100 subscriber mark a while ago, and you can see from the invoice that I have ordered them a while ago. It's just taking its time to get here. So as soon as they get here, I'm going to be doing two videos. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video as well as ceramic coating. I'm going to try and knock them out both in the same video. If not, I'll let you know whenever that time comes. And then the second video is going to be when I actually do the install. So make sure you stay on the channel and just keep up to date with the videos, and we'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. We're just kind of staying inside today. It's snowy outside, and obviously my car ain't going out anytime soon. And also wanted to update you on the puppy situation, because we talked about that in our last video as well. And we got him. We've just been focusing on working with him for now to kind of get him to what we believe to be a good buddy. So, all right. Thanks again. Have a good one.